Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Para in Notion, updated. Open Notion and create a database for your Para templates, then add a property called Para to hold presets. Build template entries with your preferred formatting and default text. Use a template button to insert a Para into pages instantly. Test the flow and refine defaults for speed and consistency across notes and projects. In this video, I will help how to set up Para in Notion, updated. Choose a consistent structure for your Para templates, such as heading, body text, and optional metadata. Include placeholders and example copy to guide edits and speed writing. Use toggles for optional sections and code blocks for technical notes. Save variations for different use cases, like meeting notes or drafts, and name templates clearly for quick access. In this video, I will review how to set up Para in Notion, updated. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep while organizing content, try leak-proof containers that keep salads and dressings separate and secure during commute. They make lunch prep less stressful and save cleaning time, which pairs nicely with a tidy Notion workflow. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set up Para in Notion, updated. Connect your Para database to project pages using relations so each page shows relevant paragraphs. Use roll-ups to summarize counts or statuses and filters to display context-aware results. Create multiple views like recent, by project, or favorites to find paras fast. Combine template buttons with linked databases to automate insertion and maintain consistency across your workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.